So I just stumbled upon this mini-sglang framework, and it's apparently a lightweight, high-performance tool for large language models.
Wait, really? Lightweight and high performance together. That sounds intriguing. I'm curious how they manage that balance.
Right? It's only about 5,000 lines of Python, which is surprisingly compact for something that's meant to be so powerful.
That's impressive. But I wonder what kind of optimizations they've implemented to achieve that performance.
Exactly, they've got some advanced optimizations like a radix cache for reusing shared prefixes. I mean, that's clever.
I can see how that would help speed things up. But I'm also thinking, does it limit flexibility in any way?
Good point, it's a trade-off. They're focusing on performance, but there's always that question of how adaptable it can be.
And what about their features for handling long contexts? That seems crucial for language models.
Oh, they use something called chunked prefill to tackle peak memory usage. That's definitely innovative.
That's interesting, but I wonder how effective it is in practice. Are there any benchmarks available?
Yes, they provide benchmarks for both offline and online inference. It's fascinating to see their performance metrics.
What kind of hardware are they using for these benchmarks? That could skew results.
They use impressive setups like 4xh200 GPUs connected by NVLink, so definitely high-end.
That's a serious rig, but I wonder how it would perform on more common hardware.
Totally, that's a crucial question for accessibility. It'll be interesting to see if they provide support for lower specs.
And if they're aiming for transparency, I hope they'll share how to replicate those results.
Absolutely, their clean modular codebase seems to hint at that intent. It's designed for easy understanding.
That's comforting. But let's not forget about the potential risks of using advanced techniques like tensor parallelism.
Right, while it scales well, I wonder if it introduces complexities that could lead to errors.
Exactly. Plus, how do they handle debugging in such a system? That could be a nightmare.
Great question, I'm guessing they have tools in place, but it's a challenge for sure.
Speaking of challenges, I wonder how well they document the setup process for new users.
They seem to have a quick start guide which is helpful, but documentation can always be a bit hit or miss.
True, and it's vital, especially for those who might not be super tech savvy.
Exactly, if it's too complex, it could scare away potential users.
So they really need to balance complexity with usability. That's key to wider adoption.
Definitely, but there's also the challenge of maintaining performance while making it user-friendly.
Right? It's like walking a tightrope. One misstep could lead to a frustrating user experience.
And we know how quickly the tech community can turn on something that's difficult to use.
Exactly. But if they nail this, it could be a game changer in the LLM space.
For sure, it's exciting to think about the implications of making LLMs more accessible.
And there's always the potential for innovation in how we interact with these models.
Absolutely, the more accessible they are, the more creative applications we'll see.
This really makes me think about the future of AI. What else could we see that we haven't yet?
Well, if mini-sglang pushes boundaries, then who knows what other frameworks will emerge next.
It's like a domino effect. One breakthrough could lead to many others.
And that's the beauty of technology, it's constantly evolving.
Exactly. I can't wait to see how this shakes out in the next few years.
Right? It's thrilling to be part of this ever-changing landscape of AI.
Definitely. Let's keep an eye on how mini-SG Lang develops and its impact.
For sure, this conversation has opened up so many interesting avenues to explore.
Right? And the possibilities are endless. I'm excited for what's to come.
Same here, it'll be interesting to see how the community responds to this.
Absolutely. And it makes you wonder what's next on the horizon for LLMs.
The future looks bright, but it's always good to question and research things further.
Exactly. We should keep digging into these developments as they unfold.
Definitely, we'll have to revisit this in a few months and see what's changed.
I'm all in for that. There's so much to learn and discuss.
Exactly, let's keep the conversation going, there's always more to discover.
Agreed. I can't wait to see where this journey takes us next.